join the right batch or not. This is 12th maths class.
Yes, sir, I know.
Okay.
Yeah, I talked with the team. I wanted to change my batch from Tuesday to on Tuesday and Thursday to Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, but we have already started the integration here. So how many chapters you have done?
Sir, in the school, we have almost completed relations and functions, and next chapter would be integrals. And I've watched your lectures, first and second of the integration.
Okay, but in Learnivio, how many chapters you have done?
Learnivio, we just completed this maxima and minima.
Only maxima minima, and before that,
The chapter is completed.
rest is completed.
Yeah.
Okay, but Sel, you will face, I guess you will face issue. Okay, because we are mid of integration, and
Okay, sir.
okay, so you have already missed the basics of integration. So that's fine. Okay, please try to understand this topic. Okay, so I will say that this is type third. Okay, so type first, I'm not sure I have written in the previous slide or not. So type first is a simple basic type of questions. Second will be of completing the square, and third is this type: px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, and I'm again saying that after this we will do the definite integration. Okay, so whatever we have already done in indefinite integral, I will not be able to explain you in the definite integral. Okay, I have taken so much time in this chapter, and similar will be the case when we will do the application of integral and differential equation. In application of integral, we need the complete concept of definite as well as indefinite integral. In differential equation also, I need the complete concept of definite and indefinite. So all of you, please do the homework, do the assignment, and share your doubts with me. Okay, you have no doubt, that means you are not doing the homework. And tomorrow you have a test, okay, of whatever the topic which we have covered in last class till Sunday. Okay, so this one here, please check what's the difference between this question and the questions which we have done till now. In earlier question, we have only this one, dx by ax square plus bx plus c. So we solve this by the completing the square method. Okay. Now what the issue with this type is, in the numerator we have px plus q. So we will not be able to solve this directly. Okay. Because you can make this a perfect square, the denominator, but what about the numerator? Till the time you have this numerator, you can't integrate it. Okay. So the method is always write this numerator. We have an issue here with the numerator. If you remember our last topic, then denominator we have easily solved by the completing the square. So the issue we are facing with the numerator. So in such a case, what we will write a into derivative of denominator, okay, plus b. Always write, because we have an issue with the numerator only, not with the denominator. So always write this numerator as a into derivative of denominator plus b. Then we will find the value of a and b. Okay, so this is a different type of question, different type. So you will face some issues in the beginning. So let me take an example. Suppose we have x by x square plus x plus 1 dot dx. Okay, same issue. We can solve the denominator, but what about the numerator? So write this numerator as a into derivative of denominator plus b. Okay, now x is equal to a into differentiate this one. So what you will get here, 2x plus 1 plus b. Okay, next x is equal to, open this, so you will get 2ax plus a plus b. So if you will analyze this RHS, then this is a coefficient of x, this is a term which have x, and this is a constant. Okay, so if we will check the RHS, then the coefficient of x is 2a. And who can tell me, Fahad, what is the coefficient of x on the left side?
1.
1. Great. So what we can say? We can say 2a is equal to 1. Okay. And we can say a is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now you have this a plus b. So the constant on the right side is a plus b. Abdur, can you tell me on the left side, what is the constant you have?
So what?
On the right side, we have a constant a plus b. Okay. So the term which have x is only this. Then
So 2a.
constant. No. My question is, on the right side, we have a constant a plus b. On the left side, what is the constant?
So x.
No, x is not a constant. It's a variable. Who can tell me? Rifat, can you tell me what is the constant on the left side? Fahad, can you tell me what's the constant on the left side?
2a.
No, I'm saying on the left side. Why you guys are telling me from the right side?
So 1.
No, please check here. Is equal to, on the left side, we have a term which is x. There is no constant, so we will write a 0 here. Okay, now a plus b we will equate with 0. Why? Because on the left side we have a 0 in place of a constant. Suppose in place of this 0 you have 1. If you have this term x plus 1, then I will say that a plus b is equal to 1. Okay, but on the left side we don't have any constant, that's why we are writing 0. Why we have equated this 2a with 1? Check the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? 1. What is the coefficient of x on the right side? 2a. So we will write a is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now from this what we will get? B is equal to minus a. So B is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so we get these two values. A is equal to 1 by 2 and B is equal to 1 by 2. Now what we will do, let this be 1. Okay, x is equal to, we have written a into, better to take this as 1. This is 1. Okay, x is equal to a into 2x plus 1 plus b. Okay, we already get this one. From 1, we have this x is equal to a 2x plus 1 plus b. Now, what's the value of a? We have a is 1 by 2. So, x is equal to 1 by 2, 2x plus 1. And what is the value of b? Minus 1 by 2. X is 1 by 2, sorry, a is 1 by 2 and b is minus 1 by 2. So, in place of x, we can write this value 1 by 2, 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so that means we have this question, integral x by this one, x squared plus x plus 1. X by x square plus x plus 1 dot dx. So what we can write it like this. So we can write 1 by 2, and the numerator we can write 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 integral. Okay, by denominator you have this x square plus x plus 1. If you will solve this one, this equation, you will again get x. In place of x, we are writing this equation. So if you will solve this, you will again get x. Okay, so in place of x, we have written this. Now, what is the advantage of this? Now separate this. You have two terms, this one and this one. So separate it. First term, we will write like this, 1 by 2, 2x plus 1 by x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, I will write the integral sign here. Minus 1 by 2 integral dx by x squared plus x plus 1. Now, what is the advantage of this? If you will check this part, then this part can be solved by the substitution method. If you will take t as the denominator, then the numerator you will get a tt. Check this. If you will take this, let t is equal to x squared plus x plus 1, differentiate it. So you get this as a 2x plus 1. Okay, so this part can be solved by the substitution method. This part can be solved. Who can tell me? Anyone can tell me how can we solve this part? Abdur, how can we solve this? Fahad, how can we solve this part? We have already done this question in last class. Rifat, can you tell me how can we solve this? Very, very good, Abdul. By the completing of video, Rifat, I guess you have some network issue, so you can message me, okay? By completing the square method, we have already done this. So this you can do by the completing the square method. Okay, so I hope, yes, Rifat, that is correct. Okay, let this be 2. Let this be 2. So what we will do, we will integrate them separately. So I1, I will take this. Let I1 is equal to integral to 1 by 2, 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dot dx. Okay, and I2, I'm taking this one. Integral this complete 1 by 2 dx by x square plus x plus 1. Okay, now this part we will integrate separately. Once we will get the answer, we will put in the equation 2. I2 we will integrate separately. Once we will get the answer, we will put in equation 2 and we will get the final answer. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. So the main thing is whenever you have a numerator and the denominator like this, so you will solve by using this method. Here you need to find value of a and b. Okay, so please note down this. Raise your hands once you will done. I will change the slide that finally you need to solve the question. Okay, please note down this. All of you, please raise your hands once it is done. Are a and b bx not? Abdur, yes, a and b are constant. A and b are constant. Okay, so we need to find the value of a and b from these equations. You have to find the value of a and b. Okay, okay, sir. Good. Okay, Fahad, good. Okay, Rifat, very good. Abdur, is it done? Abdur, is it done? Okay. So all of you, please again note down this and then raise your hand. Okay, once it is done. And please find the value of I1 and I2. You know how to integrate it. Please integrate it and share the final answer with me. Okay, Fahd. So, Fahd, do you have the formulas of particular function, some particular functions? Fahd, uh, do you have the formulas of some particular functions?
So anti-derivatives formulas I have.
Okay, antiderivative. But after that, okay, that's fine. So, it's fine, Fahd. Please note till here, then leave some space. Okay, after that we will start the next question. And just find the value of A and B. Once you will see the previous lectures, then you can solve these questions. Okay. So if you can understand how to find the value of A and B, then that is fine for me. Okay. Okay. So Aman, you have joined late today, almost 26 minutes late.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Uh, Sir, if you wish, you can unmute yourself and can tell me the answer, or if you wish, you can type here.
Sir, I know just for the first one, I1. The I2 I need to watch the lecture yesterday's,
Okay,
the
so
last class.
you know the
So
basic formulas of integration?
yes, sir, I watched the lecture, and so if we do the I1's integration, we will use the substitution method, right?
Yes, yes, that's
Yeah,
that's
so it will
correct.
be we can take t as x square plus x plus 1, which will dt will become 2x plus 1. So we can write dt by t, right?
Yes, very, very good. It is correct.
And the new denominator t can be taken as 1 by t, which is nothing but log mod t.
Yes, that's correct. Very, very good, sir. Okay, so okay, I mean, for you, I will again show this. So, I mean, in last class, we have solved a question like this one. If you have a denominator like this, ax squared plus bx plus c, then we solve this by the completing the square method. Okay. Fahd and Rifat, sorry, Abdur and Rifat, please let me know once you complete it. Okay, but the problem, Aman, is if we get a numerator px plus q, okay, then we have a issue. For example, if we have a question, this one, we are facing issue because of the numerator. So in such a type of question, we will use this formula: bx plus q is equal to a into derivative of this plus b. Okay. So how can we find the value of a and b? So we will write always x is equal to a into derivative of this plus b. So derivative of this is 2x plus 1 plus b. Open the bracket, you will get 2x plus a plus b. So compare this, coefficient of x is 2a, equate this with 1 because the coefficient of x is 1. So write 2a is equal to 1, you will get a is equal to 1 by 2. A plus b is equal to 0, we get a b is equal to minus a, that is minus 1 by 2. So please note down this, Aman, or if you wish, you can take a screenshot, okay? Because we need to start a new question.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Please let me know, Aman, once it is done.
Yes, sir. I've taken a screenshot.
Okay, great. So here we got this equation. If you will see the previous slide, then finally we get this one. Okay, so in place of a and b, we will put the value. A is 1 by 2 and b is minus 1 by 2. So we will put the value. So in place, x is the numerator. X is in the numerator. So in place of x, we will write this value. 1 by 2, 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Now you can separate it. Write this as this one and write it as the second term. Now here, this part we will assume as I1. This part we will assume as I2. And we can solve this by using let t is equal to by the substitution method. This you already know by the completing the square method. Okay. So I mean, you can note down this and then you can continue the question. Okay. You know how to solve the value of how to solve I1 and I2. Okay. And I will again explain you in the next question how to find the value of A and B.
Okay, sir.
So, okay. So for I2, okay. So I will explain this to you, Cell, because you know the basic of integration. That's great. So I will tell you how to solve it. 1 by 2 log x squared plus 1. Okay, Abdur. So I2 is equal to integral. You have dx by 1 by 2, 1 by 2, dx by x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, we have this. I2 is equal to dx by x squared x plus 1. I2 is equal to 1 by 2 dx by the completing the square method. Okay, Sel, please check here. In class 10th also you have used this method. So whenever you have to make it a complete square, so always take the coefficient of x. Here it is 1. So divide it with 2. Okay, and do the square. Here you get a 1 by 4. Okay, what's the method? Take the coefficient of x. Here it is 1. Divide that with 2 and do the square. You get a 1 by 4. Add this term and subtract this. So x square plus x plus 1. Now add this 1 by 4 and subtract this 1 by 4. Okay, the question will remain the same because we are adding and subtracting. Now I2 is equal to 1 by 2 integral dx. Now this part, and this part, this make a formula that is x plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, always remember these two terms, x square and x term, and the value you have added, always make a formula. In case you are not getting the correct formula, that means you are doing the calculation mistake. Okay, then please check the calculation. Okay, now the rest of the terms we will write like this: 1 minus 1 by 4. So here I2 is equal to 1 by 2 integral dx by x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus subtract this, so you will get a 3 by 4. So here you will get I2 is equal to 1 by 2 integral dx by okay, so here we will write x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus we will write this root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so please note down this, raise your hands, Sel. Once it is done, then I will complete this question.
Okay, sir.
So Abdur, please check this because you have not used the correct formula. Okay, again check this and put the correct formula here. In the third step, 1, 2, 3. Here we have make a formula for. Please check here. This one, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, sir. Very good. Aman, Abdur, Rifat, please let me know if you have completed this. Okay, Fad. So here we have used this formula. Please check here. If you will open this x plus 1 by 2 whole square, what you will get? A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 will get cancelled out. So finally you will get x. Okay, Rifat, very good. Aman, is it done?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay. Fad, is it clear?
Yes, and what about that 1 minus 1 by 4?
Do the calculation. Take LCM. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 by 4. Yes, Abdur. Now it is correct. Okay. Now please use the formula. Fad, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So please raise your hands once you complete this slide. Okay, great, Fahd. Great up there. Okay, Aman. So I hope everyone has done this. Rifat, is it done? Shall we move to next? Great. Sal has already completed this. Okay, so we finally get this one. Okay, so if you will check here, okay, I will give you first the formula. If we will check a formula is this one. Integral dx by x square plus a square. And all of you, please learn the formulas and write the formulas while you're solving the question. If you're expecting that one day before the exams, you will learn the formulas and you will remember that in the exam, it is not possible. Okay, integration you need to complete at least 3 times. 3 times you need to do, then you can expect that you can solve the questions in exam. Okay, it is a difficult topic, so please revise this 3 times. Now dx by x square plus 1, sorry, x square plus a square. So the formula is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This is the formula. Okay, and plus c. We have this formula. So if we will check our question, I will write the question here. I2 is equal to integral dx 1 by 2 dx by x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, if we will compare this with our formula, then in our formula here we have a variable and this is a constant. If we will check here, this is a constant, that is fine. In place of variable, we have this. So I always suggest to the students that you solve this by using substitution. First, change this into your standard form, this one. So please assume let t is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Now differentiate it, you will get dt by dx is equal to 1. Okay, so here you will get dt is equal to dx. All of you, please let me know if you have doubt in any of this step. 1 by 2 integral dt by, here you get a t square and here you get a root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, now we can compare this with our formula. Now this is in the standard form. Now put the formula I2 is equal to 1 by 2 was already there in the question. Now here 1 by a. So Sel, can you tell me what is a here in our question?
Root 3 by 2 whole square.
Root 3 by 2. Very good. Okay, not whole square, root 3 by 2. A is root 3 by 2. So as per the formula, we have 1 by a. So we will write 1 by a, that means root 3 by 2. So I will write that 2 here. Okay, our miss was one step. So I will write 2 here. Then tan inverse x, in place of x, we have a t by a. So that means root 3 and here you have 2. And we will write c, as we are solving I2, I will write C2 here. Okay, in the end, we will combine that C1 and C2. When you are solving that I1, this one, uh, I1, then please write C1. And finally, we will combine the C1 and C2. So I will write C2 here. Now put the value of t. So I2 is equal to 1 by 2. In the bracket, please write 2 by root 3. Here, please write tan inverse 2 into t. T is what? X plus 1 by 2. Okay, by root 3 plus C2. Simplify this. So I2 you will get, this 2 will get cancelled out. Okay, so you will get 1 by root 3 tan inverse. Open the bracket. So you will get here 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus C2. Okay, this is the value of I2 and I1 I will write directly as Sahil has already told us that I1 we will solve by using log. So if you will take this as a t, this will become log t. This become a dt. Okay, 1 by 2 is already there. So I1 we will get so I1 is 1 by 2 is already there in the formula. Log will take this as t. So x square plus x plus 1 plus C1. Okay, I1 is this. I2 is this one. Now put I1 and I2 in 2. Put I1 and I2 in equation 2. So what's the equation we have? This one. This. So this is I1, this is I2. So right here. So what we will get 1 by 2 log modulus x square plus x plus 1 minus next here we have 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 tan inverse 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus C2 plus, okay, here we have C1 also. So I will write C1, okay, and here we will write C2, and then finally we will combine these C1 and C2. So x squared plus x plus 1 plus 1 by root 3 tan inverse 2x plus 1 by root 3, okay, plus C1, C2, I will write C, and the bracket I will write that C is equal to C1 plus C2. Okay, so this is your final answer. So please note down this. Raise your hands once it is done, then we will start a new question. Okay, okay, so who's others? How you get 2 by root 3? Okay, and other, sorry, I guess earlier you have given me the answer for I1. Okay, that is correct. I'm sorry. Okay, Abdur, 1 by a. So 1 by a is what? 1 by root 3 by 2. So this 2 will shift on the numerator then. So we will get a 2 by root 3. Is it clear, Abdur? Abdur, is it clear how we are getting a 2 by root 3? Okay, great. So please note down this, everyone. Raise your hands. Then we will start a new question. Okay, Rifat, very good. All of you, please let me know. Okay, Sahel, very good. Aman, is it done? Shall I change the slide?
So just 1 minute.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So I'm changing the slide. If anyone miss anything, please let me know. First, why we have written 2t by root 3. Okay, so please check here first. 1 by a, okay. Tan inverse x by a. So what is a? We have root 3 by 2. So we will write root 3 here and root 3 by 2. And this 2 will shift here. So we will get 2 by root 3. Is it clear first?
Yes. So can you show the last slide?
Yes, yes.
Done, sir.
Okay, Fahad, good. Now, all of you, please note down this last slide and again, please confirm me.
So can you show how did we substitute I1 and I2?
Okay, so Abdur, please check this equation too. So if you will see that complete part I have taken I1. I'm just changing the slide. Please check here, Abdur. So this is equation 2. Check here. This complete is I1 and this complete is I2. So I've done nothing. In place of these two terms, I've just written a final answer. Okay, check here. This is I1 and this is I2. So we have separately integrated it.
So
And
we have changed the numerator and denominator. That's it.
sorry, Abdur.
So we have just changed the numerator and denominator, right? So
No, after this we have done no change. Okay, after this we have just solved these two terms. Okay,
and then
exact.
you subtracted it.
Yes, because there was a negative sign.
Okay.
Okay. So it is better if you have a very complicated equation, then it is better if you will take separately as I1 and I2 the terms and then integrate them. In a single line, it will not be possible for us to integrate both the terms simultaneously. So everyone, please raise your hands if it is done. I will give you a new question. Okay, Fahad, very good. Okay, Aman, good. Okay, Abdur, good. Okay, Rifat, very good. Okay, Sahel, great. Now, next question. Next question with 2. Please try this one. 2x minus 3 by x square plus 3x minus 18. Okay, you know how to write a and b. So first of all, please share the value of a and b with me. Okay, Aman, you have joined late. Please try to find the value of a and b. If you are stuck, if you get stuck, please let me know. I will help you. Yes, for the same formula which you have used in the previous, which we have used in the previous question. Okay. If anyone get stuck somewhere, please let me know.
Sir, can you help me, sir?
Yes, Aman. Please check here. So first of all, we will always write in such a type of question, numerator is equal to a into denominator. Okay. A into derivative of denominator plus b. Now, 2x minus 3 is equal to a into differentiate this. So you will get 2x plus 3 plus b. Now, 2x minus 3, this is equal to open the bracket. So you will get 2ax plus 3a plus b. Okay. So Aman, on the left side, what is the coefficient of x?
2.
2. On the right side, what is the coefficient of x?
2a.
2a.
Two.
So we will, yes, so we will equate 2a with 2. So from this, you will get a is equal to 1. Okay. Now, on the left side, what is the what is the constant?
Sir, b.
Okay.
No.
-3.
Yeah, on the left side. Okay, so that is -3. Aman, on the right side, what is the constant?
Sir, b.
Only b? No.
3a plus b.
Very good. 3a plus b. Okay, so from here we will find the value of b. So put the value of a here. So you will get 3 into 1 plus b is equal to -3. Open this here, you will get 3 plus b is equal to -3. And from this you will get b is equal to -6. Okay, so these two value you will get. So what you have to do, let this be 1. Put the value of a and b here, and then whatever the terms you are getting, put that in the numerator. So in place of 2x minus 3, I will show you. So we have this one. From 1 we have 2x minus 3 is equal to a into 2x plus 3 plus b. So 2x minus 3 is equal to a is what? 2x plus 3, a is 1, okay, and b is -6. If you will solve this, you will again get this LHS. Now in place of this one, 2x minus 3, please write this 2x plus 3 minus 6 in the numerator. Then you will get two terms, separate them and integrate them separately. Okay. If still anyone have a doubt after this step, please let me know. I will then solve it. And Sahil, please continue this. I will give you the formula, whatever is required for this question. Okay, standard formula.
Yes, sir.
Who have a doubt? Okay, Fad, please check here. Fad, on the right side, what the constant you have? Fad, on the right side, what the constant you have?
3a plus b.
3a plus b. Okay, and on the left side, what is the constant?
-3.
-3. So we will equate this 3a plus b with -3. Clear, Fad?
To find the value of b, right?
Yes, to find the value of b. A we have already find out. B we can find from this. Clear, Fad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, so we will write this like this. We have integral 2x minus 3 by x square plus 3x minus 18 x square plus 3x minus 18, okay, dot dx. So we will write it like this integral. Here, if you will see this value, so we will write 2x plus 3 minus 6 by x square plus 3x minus 18. Okay, and
So we are
here,
changing the value of
yes, Abdul.
numerator, right, sir? 2x
Yes,
minus 3
all
equals 2x plus.
yes. And from where we will get this value? We will always get this value from this one, from 1.
1.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now separate this. Okay. Please do not subtract it. Otherwise, you will again get the same equation. Please separate this. So first you will get this one, 2x plus 3 by x square plus 3x minus 18. Okay. Integral dot dx minus, here you will get 6 by x square plus 3x minus 18. Okay. Again, the same method, take this as I1, this I2. I1 will be solved by the substitution, second by completing the square method. Okay, please continue this question. And for Sahel, for you, I will give this standard formula. Finally, when you will solve this I2 cell, you will get this type of equation, x square minus a square, and the formula is 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay. If you have
Okay.
if anyone have a doubt, please let me know. Yes, Fahd. I have given 6 formulas. Okay. So please check the recorded lectures because I have given also the hint to remember those formulas.
Sir, the original question was 2x minus 3 into dx. We can't
Yes.
use the formula directly for that.
Which formula am I?
So the one we're going to use for 2x plus 3.
Okay, okay. So, Aman, what is the benefit of changing this into this form is this form will always be solved by using the substitution. If you will take this as t, then please check directly you are getting this as a dt.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But in this case, at this step, if you will take this, for example, if you want to solve this and you are taking this as a t, then you will not get a dt here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Observe, very good. I1 is correct. Please find I2.
So for take 6 outside.
Yes, observe.
So for I2 should we take 6 outside?
Yes, please move this 6 out.
So while differentiating I2 using the substitution method, T will
Yes.
be x plus 3 by 2, right?
2x plus 3.
No,
If
okay.
if we will take t is equal to x square plus 3x minus 18.
No. I'm talking about I2 that I
Okay,
did.
okay. This I2, no, this we will not solve by substitution. Okay, because we don't have anything in the numerator.
The first squaring method, right? After squaring method, like in the last question, we again
Okay,
used substitution, right?
okay,
Like
okay.
T.
Yes. I'm sorry. Yes, you are correct. So dx by x square plus 3x plus minus 18. Okay, so here we will get I2 is equal to 6 integral dx by x square plus 3x minus 18, and 3 by 2, that means 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4. So you will get here 6 integral dx.
So it's minus 18, right, sir?
Yes, it is minus 18. Okay, so you will get x plus 3 by 2 whole square, and then here take the LCM, negative 4, 18 into 4 minus 9. Okay, so Sel, you were saying, yes, we will assume this as a t. Okay, then we will
Yeah,
get,
that's what I asked. Yeah.
okay, yeah, that's correct. We will get dt is equal to dx. For the same method, take this coefficient of x, write this in rough, divide with 2, do the square. So what you will get? 9 by 4. So you need to add and subtract this value. Clear for?
Sir, can you solve for I1?
Ivan, just take this as a t. Take the denominator as a t. Just check. You will get numerator as a dt. So dt by t. Is it clear, Aman, now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
So A would become 7, right?
Which one is A will become 7? Multiply this. How much you will get? 6. Okay, I will write 9. Okay. Just multiply this, add these two. So this will not be 7, sorry. 18 into 4 plus 9. Okay. So this will give you 81.
Right. Okay. So 9 square will come
Yes.
as the formula. Right.
Yes, yes.
So we can write it as 9 by 2 the whole square, right, sir?
Yes, yes, that's correct. Yes, first we can substitute, but it is better to assume this x plus 3 by 2 as a t. Okay. If anyone has completed this, then please share your answer. You can even unmute yourself and tell me the final answer.
So your voice is lagging.
My voice is lagging.
No, sir. No.
Okay, 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 okay. So, Fahd, is it fine now? Fahad, is it fine?
Yes, sir, it is correct.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, good. Abdur, now please put the value of t. Okay, then again solve the term which you have in the modulus. Take the LCM, solve that. If anyone else get the answer, please let me know. Now I will write the final answer here. Okay, so you can tally this. This is complete the I1 and I2, or I will write like this. I1 is log modulus x squared plus 3x minus 18, and I2 is 2 by 3 log modulus x minus 3 by x plus 6. Okay, these are the values I1 and I2. So please raise your hands who get the same value. Okay, Abdur, very, very good. Okay, Sahel, very good. So Abdur has completed this, and Sahel, Aman, Fahad, and Ifat. Please let me know if it is done. Is it done, Aman, Fahad, Rifat?
So for I1, I got the correct answer, but for I2, I'm not getting.
Okay, so let me solve this one. Okay, so we have this I2. Okay, so if you will solve this, take this as a t. So in place of this, you have a t. Here you have a dt. Or I will write I2 here. I2 is equal to 6 integral dx, not dx. I will write now dt. Okay, dt by sig t square minus 9 by 2 square. Okay, and t I have taken here x plus 3 by 2. X plus 3 by 2 here. Now I2 is equal to right here 6 integral. Okay. So the formula is 1 by 2a. So a is what? 9 by 2. So I will write 2 here. Log this one x minus a. So x 9 by 2. Sorry. Uh, x minus a by x plus a. So t plus 9 by 2. So I2 is equal to, now cancel out the terms, to cancel out this 3, 3, 3, 2. So 2 by 3 log, in place of t, what is t? X plus 3 by 2. X plus 3 by 2 minus 9 by 2 by x plus 3 by 2 plus 9 by 2. So here you will get I2 is equal to 2 by 3 log modulus. So here what you will get, subtract this. So 6 by 2 will give you minus 3 by 3 plus 9 is 12 by 2 will give you 6. Is it fine, Fad?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So
great.
can we take 9 by 2 as t?
9 by 2 is t. Fad, are you saying this? 9 by this one is a t?
Yes, sir. Like can we
If
take
means if you have this question, you don't want to assume this as a t?
So we cannot take two terms as t, right?
Sorry, Abdul, just give me a minute. Okay, let me understand Fad doubt first. Fad, are you saying that we will not take x plus 3 by 2 as a t, and other than this, we will take this as a t? Are you saying this?
yes, sir.
No.
So like I'm confused in why we are taking as t.
Okay, why we are taking this as a t?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for please check here. Here, what is the formula you have dx by? Only you have a single variable. But here you will check that with variable you have a constant. So there is a possibility that you will get confused here. Okay, that's why I'm saying to take this as a t so that you can change this question into this form. This is already there in the formula. This term is already there. We just need to write 9 by 2 whole square and it is there in the formula. The problem is because of this. I'm afraid that you will make a mistake if you will solve this directly.
Yeah, sir. There will be like error in the calculation.
Okay, so it is better to take this as a t so that this will be changed in the standard form, then put the formula, then finally put the value.
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Got
Fahd?
it.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Abdul?
Got it.
Okay. Abdul, what was your doubt?
So we cannot take two values as t, right?
No. The other thing is, if you will take this as a t, and if you want to differentiate it, you will get a 0. Okay. Second thing is if you have a problem with this constant, it is quite complicated. That's why you want to assume it, then it's fine. Okay, but normally the constant is not so much complex. The problem we always get because of variable. Okay. Okay, I hope everyone has done this. Shall we start next?
Can you just do it for I1 because I got that wrong. I got
Oh,
I2 correct,
okay,
but
okay,
I1 wrong.
okay. So we have this one, uh, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 dot dx by, in the denominator we have x squared plus 3x minus 18. Okay, x squared plus 3x minus 18. So here assume t is equal to, okay, I mean x squared plus 3x minus 18. So what dt by dx you will get here? 2x plus 3.
Plus 3.
So dt you will get what? 2x plus 3 dot dx. So here what you will get? dt by t. So its formula is what? Log modulus of t. Okay, and what is modulus of t? It is x squared plus 3x minus 18. Is it clear, Emma?
Okay, sir. Yes. Now it's
Okay.
clear.
So
Okay.
plus
So
c.
yes. So here we will write C1 and here we will write C2. Okay, I missed this. Here write C2 and finally combine C1 and C2 and write in place of this a single constant C. Okay, next we will start a next type 4th. Okay, if anyone miss anything, please let me know. Type 4th is integral. We have a function px here. In the denominator, ax square plus px plus c dot dx. And I will say that the degree of px is 2 or more than 2 is 2 or more than 2. Okay. Anyone can tell me what is the degree of the denominator?
The 2.
2. Okay, so always remember, if in the numerator you have a function which have a degree 2 or more than 2. So in simple words, we can say if the degree of numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator, in that case, we can't solve the question directly. We need to use this form. So I will write a very simple formula. N by D is equal to Q plus R by D. Okay, just remember like this. N is what? Numerator. Numerator. Denominator. Okay, and this is a very important. I will tell you why it is important. Denominator. Q is a quotient. R is remainder. D is denominator. Denominator. Okay. So if you have a function like this, that means the degree of numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator, then we can't integrate it directly. I will give you an example. In such a case, always write like this. You have some numerator, you have some denominator, always write it as Q plus R by T. This is not a new formula. Even in 5th or 6th class also, you use this formula. I will tell you how. For example, we have 9 by 2. So what you normally do, write 9 here, 2 here, 4 here, 8 here. So remainder is 1. Who have what's a degree? Just give me a minute. Okay, so we will write like this. Remainder is what? 1. Okay, denominator is what? 2. This is your quotient 4. This is Q. Okay, this is Q. This is R. And this is D. So you know that 4 plus 1 by 2 is again 9 by 2. So you do this in 5th or 6th class. In integration, we will use this form. If the degree of numerator is greater than or equal to denominator, then we will first change that into this form, Q plus R by D, then we will solve it. Why it is important? Because in your book, there is not a separate category for these types of questions. So normally students miss this type. Okay, you will do the partial fraction, you will do the substitution, but there is not a separate category of this type. So there are chances that you miss this one. So please remember, please note it down somewhere, even the first page of your book or somewhere, that in case degree of numerator is equal or more than the denominator, then always change that numerator by denominator form into Q plus R by D form. Okay, okay, so for here I'm saying the degree of px is 2 or more because the denominator have the degree 2. That's why this have a degree 2 or more than 2. In both these cases, even if it have a degree 2, then also we will change this in this form. If it have a degree more than 2, then also we will change in this form. Is it fine for?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So everyone, please note down this. I will give you a question and then we will check that.
So,
Yes.
so
Uh,
can you explain the power of degree again?
yes. So I'm saying that if the numerator have a degree which is equal to or more than the denominator. For example, here the degree of the denominator is 2. So that's why I'm saying if the degree of numerator is 2 or more than 2, in that case, always change this rational n by d form into Q plus R by d form.
So, but here the numerator has less degree, right?
No. Px is in the numerator. So I'm saying degree of px is 2 or more than 2.
So no, there's no degree here. Like the degree of x is 1, right? In the numerator.
No. Okay. It is not px. It is a function. I will write then fx. You are more aware of fx. Now is it fine?
So you
Sir?
mean that? So you mean that the whole function, like example, like
Yes.
coefficient.
Yes. Example like this one. For example, the function fx could be anything. For example, x cube plus 2. Okay, x squared plus 4. X to the power 4 plus 5. Okay, so it is not f into x. This is a complete function. Okay, Fad, is it fine? You have the same doubt?
Yes.
Okay, Sahel, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So everyone, please note down this. I will give
Sir,
you a
is this kind of proper or improper fraction?
yes, yes. That's correct. Okay, so I will give you a question. Just give me a minute. X cube plus x plus 1 by x square minus 1. X square minus 1 dot dx. Okay. So what happened with most of the students, they revise the complete integration and they miss this type. Now check here. If you want to solve this directly, you can't do it. You can't use the substitution. You can't separate it. Okay, this question looked like a very complex one, but please check by using this method, this can be simplified. So what we will do, degree of numerator is greater than the denominator. So we will use this one. We will divide this x square minus 1. So you know how to divide it. So right here,
So,
yes.
so what if the degree of numerator is less than the denominator?
Then we can solve, then depending on the question. Okay, for example, if we have this one x by x square minus 1. So this is the same type which we have done just in the previous slide. Okay, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here. So okay, so we were dividing this. We will multiply with x. I hope everyone know why we are multiplying with this x. This is x cube. So we need a x cube here. Always write this in the standard form. That means highest degree first, then continue it like this. Focus only on the first term. With what we will multiply this x squared so that we will get x cube. We will multiply with x. So I will write x cube here. Okay. You will multiply minus 1 also with x. So you will get a minus x. Then change the sign. Negative, positive. Cancel out this. You get a 2x plus 1. Okay. Now this degree is less than x square minus 1. So we can't further divide this. So what we will do, we will integrate it later on. First of all, we will change this into this form, x square minus 1. This is equal to q plus r by d form. So this is what? This is d. This is r. This is q. Okay. So we will write q, that is x. Remainder is 2x plus 1. And denominator is x square minus 1. Okay. Now we will integrate it. So now integrate it dot dx. Okay, integrated dot dx, integrated dot dx. Okay,
So we
now
have to integrate everything separately.
yes. Okay, now what's the integral of x? This will give you x squared by 2. And anyone can tell me how can we solve this one?
So substitute.
Substitution. Okay, try it. Okay, please try this one. Share your answer with me. Substitution will not give you. Okay, please try this and let me know if anyone have a doubt. Or shall I complete this so that we can start the partial fraction today? Okay, so by substitution, because in the you have a different type of methods. Okay, even for
So
this case,
substitution we won't have it because it will be
yes,
2x, then 0 will come.
yes. So either you can use the previous method or you can separate it. Okay, so we will separate this 2x by x square minus 1 dot dx plus dx by x square minus 1. Now here you will get x square by 2. Okay, for this one. So I will take I1 and I2 again plus integral 2x by x square minus 1 dot dx. Next you have 1 by x square minus. Okay, so this we can directly put the formula. Okay, again same one, 1 by 2 log x minus a by x plus a. This I have already given the formula. Now this can be solved by the substitution. Let t is equal to x square minus 1. So dt by dx is equal to 2x. Okay, so dt is equal to 2x dot dx. So here you will get what? X square by 2 plus integral dt by t plus 1 by 2 log x minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, plus c. So here you will get x square by 2 plus log t plus 1 by 2 log x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. Okay, put the value of t. So you will get x square plus 2 by plus log t is x square minus 1 plus 1 by 2 log x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. Okay, so we still have 25 minutes. So all of you, please note down this. Let me know once it is done. We will start the partial fraction.
So can you
So
show the
can you
last
show the
slide?
last slide?
Yes, sure. The last part, first we have just separated the terms, okay, because directly we can't we can't use the substitution. So I have separated 2x and 1. Is it clear, Fahd?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I'm changing the slide. If anyone miss anything, please let me know.
So how did we get x square by 2 in the beginning?
In the beginning, please check here. We have this from x. Okay, so we have integrated it. We get x squared by 2.
Okay, okay, got it.
So everyone,
Sir,
please. Yep.
so how do we get 1 by 2 log x minus 1,
This
x
one,
plus 1?
this standard formula, x square minus a
So,
square form.
so we have it as 1 by 2a, right?
Yes, a we have 1.
Uh,
Okay, Abdul.
so where, sir?
Uh, in place of a, what we have here, we can write 1 square. A is 1, Abdul.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it? Okay, so formula is 1 by 2a. So we will get 1 by 2 into 1. Clear, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So whoever has completed this, please raise your hands. Okay, Fat, very good. Uh, Everyone, please raise your hands if it is done. Okay, Sahel. Okay, Rifat, good. Okay, Abdul, very good. Aman, is it done? Shall we start next?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So this topic is completed. Okay. Assignments we have already put in the WhatsApp group. So please do the assignments and Sel, please share your number so that we can add you in the group. Okay. What's the doubt? Like if we couldn't solve substitution method. Um, okay. So for depending on the question. Okay. If question is like this, we can't substitute, then we will use some other type. Okay, we have completed almost most of the types, so that question will definitely match with some type. Aman, we have added you in the group.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's great. So please complete the assignments and sir, please share your number. Now we will start the partial fraction. Okay, next is partial fraction. Before that, we will discuss, suppose we have a function like this. Px is a function. It is not p into x, okay? As we have a fx, similarly we have a px. And suppose we have a qx as a function. So we have p by q form. If degree of px is less than qx, then okay, sir, thanks. Is less than qx, then the rational function, then the rational function, the rational function is called proper is called proper rational is called proper rational function. Okay, if the degree of px is less than qx, then it is called proper rational function. Otherwise it is called improper rational function. Improper rational function. Okay. So the type which we have just done, so that was of improper rational function. Okay, so you know that how to solve the improper rational function. Now in partial fraction, whatever the functions, the standard function we will study, that will be a proper rational function. So that means the degree of numerator will always be less than the denominator. Okay, so partial fraction types, we will start from here. First is types. Okay, first type is like this: px plus q by x minus a, x minus b. We have this type. Okay, so first of all, we will see that what is a partial fraction. So partial fraction is not a method of integration. We will not use partial fraction for integration. Sorry, it is not a method of integration. Means you don't have any formula of integration here. Partial fraction is used just to separate the denominator. For example, if you have a term like this, x plus 3, x plus 2 dx integral. Okay, directly you can't integrate. Suppose if you have a question like this, dx by x plus 3, you can integrate it. You will get a log mod x plus 3. But if in the denominator two terms are getting multiplied, then it is not possible for you to integrate it. Okay, I hope you understood the issue here. If in the denominator two or three terms are getting multiplied, then it is not possible for you to integrate it. Okay,
So
so
can we multiply it and open?
okay, it is good. So everyone, if you think that there is any method to solve this question, please let me know. Okay, so that you can understand this in detail, that why we are using partial fraction. So yes, Abdur, what you are saying?
So can we open the two brackets and then simply?
Okay, okay. So you want to then use that completing the square method?
No, so like when we multiply and open
Okay,
the brackets.
okay. We will open this, so you will get x square, then you will get a 5x, then you will get a 6. Now, what is your approach? How you will solve this? By completing the square method?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is correct. That is one of the method. But what happen if in the denominator they give you one more term, x plus 4? Then if you will open this, you will get a cubic, and we don't have any formula to solve the cubic equation.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so first let me explain to you that what are the options we have here. If you have this, and by any method you will separate this one. Okay, so for example, if I will write like this, there's no need to note down this. Okay, so if I will write like this, x plus 3 minus x plus 2 by x plus 3 into x plus 2. Okay, now anyone can solve the numerator and tell me what the answer you're getting in the numerator? Please do the calculation, solve the numerator and tell me what the answer you're getting. Anyone? This is a simple calculation. Just solve the numerator. This is class 6 level question. No one? X plus 3 minus x plus 2. What the answer you will get? Why you are taking so much time? There's a class 6 question. No one. Who can tell me? Rifat, what the answer you will get? Just solve the numerator. You don't need to integrate. You just need to open this bracket. Tell me what the answer you will get. X plus 3 minus x plus 2. Open this. What you will get?
Sir, 1.
1. Okay. X plus 3 minus x minus 2. This will get cancelled out. 3 minus 2 will give you 1. Okay. So in place of 1, I have written this one. So the question will remain the same because finally you are getting the same answer. Now separate this. So what you will get, x plus 3 by x plus 3 x plus 2 minus dot dx minus there's no need to note down this, okay? X plus 2 by x plus 3 and x plus 2. Okay, so cancel out this x plus 3. So finally what you will get dx by x plus 2 minus integral, cancel out this x plus 2, what you will get dx by x plus 3. Okay, now you can solve this question. So what we have done here, we have separated these two terms. We get this and this. Okay, we have separated it and we get this one. So what is exactly partial fraction? Partial fraction is a method which, by the help of which we will separate the terms. When the denominator is getting multiplied, then how can we separate this? We will get that method from the partial fraction. This is a very simple question. There are only two terms. That's why I have separated this directly. But if the question will become complicated, they will give you three terms in the denominator, then it is not possible for us to separate it directly. So what advantage we will get from the partial fraction? By using partial fraction, we can separate the terms. Okay, so if there are some types in partial fraction, so the first type is px plus q by x minus a into x minus b. So this is of the same type, the question which we have just seen. So how can we separate it? If you will get a question like this, then always write a by x minus a, okay, plus b by x minus b. If you have two terms in the denominator which are getting multiplied, then we will use this form, a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. Okay, only 8 minutes are remaining. So we will continue this topic tomorrow. Okay, so everyone please note down this, raise your hands once it is done, and please complete the homework. No one has shared the assignment with me, so please complete it tomorrow. Okay, Sal, very good. Just give me a minute. Okay, so you can complete assignment up to, your homework is assignment 4. Okay, okay, Abdur, very good. So please complete up to assignment 4 and try to share till tomorrow. Okay, or just start assignment 4 and after that complete 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so thank you. We will continue this topic tomorrow. And tomorrow you have a test of integration. So whoever is doing integration from the starting, they have to give the test. So all the topics till last Sunday. Okay.
So which topics? Which all topics will come?
All the topics which we have covered till last Sunday. So that is integral of special functions, particular functions. Okay, Fat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So we will end our class. If anyone have a doubt, please let me know. And if not, if you wish, you can drop.
Sir, since I was added late to the WhatsApp group, I can only see assignments 9, 10, and 11.
Okay. I mean, I will just share all the assignments. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, in such a case, you can even drop a message in the on the group. Okay. In future, if you will face an issue, just drop a
Okay, sir.
message, and we will. Okay. Okay then. Thank you. We will continue this tomorrow.